good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
How are you all?
Good morning, ma'am. Fine, ma'am.
Fine. Okay.
Fine.
So, children, we are going to do this workbook. Last question 13 and 14 was homework. I hope all of you have completed that homework. Question number 13 and 14 from here. It was very easy, no? You had to draw a picture showing vertical line of symmetry and horizontal line of symmetry. What is vertical?
I did it.
What is vertical line? Equal. That line divides the picture into equal left and equal left and equal right. So equal left, this line divides the picture into equal left and equal right. That is called vertical line. And what about horizontal line? Equal top and
Equal bottom.
equal bottom. Understood? So very easy chapter patterns. We are going to finish that today. We will do these questions in the workbook faster. If you are not able to complete now, no problem. I will send the notes. Okay, children? Okay. Can you take question number, all of you please take question number 15. I will ask one by one. Only those children are allowed to unmute and speak. Okay, Adinath, please unmute. Adinath?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you read question number 15?
Draw lines of symmetry throughout the given shapes.
The given shapes. We have to draw the lines of symmetry. You know the lines of symmetry make the picture.
I am only host. Now I cannot. I cannot hear anything. Not see you. But for 15, 16 questions, no bracket. We will write in the bracket, right? A, B. It's not. Mom,
You unmuted me. Testing. Testing.
who unmuted me? I don't hear anything. Who unmuted me? Ma'am is missing.
Ma'am
Ma'am,
is
I
working.
can't see you.
There was a power failure.
Action bro.
Okay, there was a power failure.
Mama,
We are going
can't
to do that now again. Okay,
unmuted us.
I want to.
Arfan
Can you hear
unmuted
me
us.
now? Children,
Yes, ma'am.
can you hear me?
Yes. Yes.
Yes? Okay. So
Yes,
what we are
ma'am.
going to do now, we are going to do that.
Ma'am, but
Clean.
I cannot see you.
Who cannot see me? Adidev, can you see the board? Yes, Adidev?
I can see, ma'am.
Okay.
I
So
can
children,
also see.
okay. I will mute all the children. Now only those who are asked, they are going to say. Okay, Arfan, please unmute.
You.
Arfan, please unmute.
Ma'am,
Okay, can you read the question faster?
draw line, draw lines of symmetry through
Okay.
the given shapes.
So we have to draw all the children. We will do faster because we have to finish this only drawing the lines and drawing the pictures like symmetrical figures. So what you are going to do here, take the opposite side. How many we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 vertices. Okay, this is a pentagon, 5 vertices. Take the opposite side, midpoint. Opposite side of this is this side, and we take the midpoint and join the line. Okay, like the same here, take the opposite side of that midpoint, join the line. Okay, now what about this opposite side here? We have take the opposite side, take the midpoint, join the lines. And what about here? We have to take this side also. Take the midpoint and take here. Midpoint and join this corner. Is that over? Is there any more? Can you see, look at the picture, children, and tell me. I'll please unmute and tell me. Is there any more lines to be drawn? I'll. Yes, yes. But here I didn't draw. Are you not? Did you notice that? Did you notice that? From this corner, I didn't draw any line of symmetry to join the midpoint of this side. So children, how many lines we have? We have from each corner, the opposite side, the midpoint we are drawing. So we have 5 lines of symmetry. Yes, Jasmine. Jasmine, please unmute and speak. How many lines of symmetry you can see here?
5.
5. Okay, now look at the next picture here. We can make, you had to draw exactly like half. Okay. Here 1 line, and here also we can make 1 more. Yes. So how many lines of symmetry for here, Jasmine? Huh? Unmute.
2.
2. Okay, we can see 1 here. That's also like X. So you have to draw here exactly 1 line perfectly. All the children, what you have to do? When you are drawing, you have to draw neatly. Okay. So the next one here. The next one we have here 1. The next one. Question number C. You have to draw again. Make the half. This is Anvia, please unmute and speak. Anvia, what is the line drawn here? Which line of symmetry? Huh? Is it vertical or horizontal?
Vertical.
Vertical?
Horizontal.
Horizontal. This is horizontal. So Varada, please unmute. Varada. This is vertical. Can I draw here? This is horizontal. Can I draw vertical line also here? Look at the picture and see. Is it possible to draw? Yes. Okay. So in this we can divide the picture into again 1 left and right. Then top and bottom we can make vertical line, horizontal line. Okay. So Amiel, please unmute. Amiel. Okay. Question D. How many lines of symmetry, Amiel? Amiel. Question D. Can you see the board? Amiel?
Yes.
How many lines of symmetry here? Can you see? Anne Maria, please unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Question number D. Can you see the board?
Yes.
Which line of symmetry is that? Question number D. Yes, this one. Which line of symmetry we have on the board? Which line of symmetry is this?
Vertical.
Vertical. Okay, children, here we have only vertical line because here look at this picture on the top. This is not exactly the same down here. So we have only here one line of symmetry. Understood? Here one line. Okay, why I will here only one line? Because we have the top, that portion and down portion, they are different. Yes? Understood? Okay, now look at question number D. Now 16, all of you.
Jingle man.
We have to
Sunday Baba.
draw and mention. We have to draw and we have to tell, is it vertical line of symmetry or and horizontal? Okay. So question number 16, you have, look at this opposite side, you can make, join the points. Here one, and from here, where you can draw, find out. Here we can draw one to this corner, here two lines. Now what about here? We can draw here joining three lines now. Is it over? We can draw here, that is the next one, and here also one is missing. You have to join that also. From the opposite side we can join. So all these we have lines of symmetry. Okay, children. And question number A. Question number A. All these they are making vertical lines. Equal left and right. We can see these pictures. They are equal left and equal right. So that is vertical line of symmetry. Vertical. All of you can write A and write vertical line of symmetry. Okay, vertical line of symmetry. Okay. John Nihal, please unmute. John Nihal, please unmute. Okay. John, question number B. See, this is which line of symmetry? John, Nihal. Horizontal. Can you use your speaker? Say louder, okay? So that is horizontal. Is it horizontal only? Can you make like this also? Yes? Yes. So we have question number B. We have both vertical and horizontal. But we can join here. We can make also here more lines of symmetry. Vertical and horizontal. Also here we can join here. And here we can make like this 4. Again, is there anything missing? Okay, children. So we have question number B, vertical and horizontal. Vertical and horizontal lines of symmetry. So we have vertical line and horizontal line of symmetry. Okay. Isa, please unmute Isa. Where Isa went? I can know. Okay, Prajwal, can you please unmute Prajwal? Please unmute. Okay, Prajwal, no. It's Henry, please unmute. Henry, please unmute. Okay, now look at question number C, Henry. And can you say which line of symmetry here? Vertical, horizontal, or both?
Both.
Both. Very good. We can make like this horizontal and we can also make like this vertical. So we have two lines of symmetry for here also. We can write vertical and horizontal. lines of symmetry. Vertical line and horizontal line of symmetry. Devdarshan, please unmute Devdarshan. Devdarshan, please unmute. No problem. You can write later also. Please, okay. Look at question number D, Devdarshan, and can you say we have vertical or horizontal or both? Look at the picture. Devdarshan, look at the picture. We can see now. Can we make horizontal? Please unmute. Please unmute. We can make a horizontal. Yes. And what about vertical? Can we make vertical?
Yes.
Yes, very good. So we can make horizontal and also we can make vertical. So here also we can write question number D. Children can write vertical and horizontal. So children, question number A, we have vertical line of symmetry, and question number B, C and D, we have both vertical and horizontal line of symmetry. Okay. Issa, please unmute. Okay, children, so question number 16, A only we have vertical. All other three, B, C and D, we have both vertical and horizontal. Children, if you are not able to complete now, I will send the notes later. Okay. Now look at question number 17. 17. Rohit, please read question number 17. Rohit, please unmute and question number 17.
Complete the following.
Complete the following.
About the line of axis of symmetry.
Okay, so what you have to do? You have to complete this picture. See here we have left side. Same like this you have to draw on the right side. So which Prajwal, Issa, please unmute Issa. Please unmute. Issa.
Now could you give it as a homework?
Yes, it's homework, not okay. Children, Issa, can you say what is this? What is it? Which type of line? Line of symmetry. Which type of line? Is it vertical or horizontal? Vertical or horizontal? Is it horizontal?
No, vertical.
Vertical, very good. So children, what you have to do? You have to draw same here and draw here. Children, if you are able to give the same color, it will be more perfect. Okay. So what about here, Nihal? Please unmute Nihal and say, what is this line? What is this line? Is it horizontal or vertical?
Mom, I know. But horizontal.
Horizontal. Very good. So children, the here top portion, how the top portion you have to draw exactly here, the bottom also. So here left side you have to draw the same to the right side. Here top side the same you have to draw here. Okay, Devdarshan, can you do this as homework? Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
18 also I will do as homework.
18 also. Children, here we have vertical line of symmetry here, vertical line. Exactly here also you have to draw. Children, try to give the same color also. Here there's bug also, ladybug also. We can draw the here. What is here? On the left side exactly. Observe and you can take 1 or 2 days to complete this. Okay, children? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Now what about question number 19? Children, I will send the notes in the WhatsApp. You have to complete that. Now what you have to do, you have to observe the pattern. Here, look at the pattern here. Here we have one triangle in red color. Here we have 1, 2, 3. Only white one inside. That means we have only one row. Here we have here 1, 2. So in the next triangle, we will be having 1, 2, 3 rows. Here it will be 3 like this. Okay, 1, and we will be having like this, and we will be having like this 3, and here we will be having 2 rectangles, and here we will be having 1 rectangle. Okay, I will send the notes. You have to observe the pattern only now. Here we have only 1 row of white. Here we have 1 and 2 rows. In the next one, we have 1, 2, and 3 rows of white triangle inside. Observe the pattern. Okay. Same question number B. Look here, we have only 1. Here we have 1, 2. That is like a L. Here 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. In the next one, we will be having 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it will be like big L. Okay, here also 4, here also 4. No need to do it now. And the next we will be having 5 here and 5 here. Okay. Okay, children. What you have to do? Question number A and B. You have to observe the pattern. How the pattern is moving. Okay, children. Question number 19 also don't need to do it now. We will take more time. We have to finish this today and I will send the notes. So what you have to do? Observe the pattern carefully. Question number 19, that triangle. In the first triangle, we have only red color. In the second triangle, we have in the middle, we have 1 white. In the second one, 2 rows. In the third, next picture, it will be 3 rows and 4 rows. And that L shape, that squares also, we have first only 1 row, the next one 2 row, 2 column. Next will be 3 row. After that, next pattern will be 4. Okay. So what you have to do? I will send the notes. You have to observe the pattern and complete that. Understood?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. If you try to finish by before Friday, or you can complete by Monday. Okay? But this is very easy. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. Only thing you have to draw the figure. So those who are not able to draw the figure, most you have to observe how this pattern and try
20th
to.
homework?
Uh,
Is 20th homework?
I will explain everything. Then you will do as homework. Okay. Okay. Question number 20. Children also look here. We have question number 20. A and B. A and B. Which line of symmetry here? Sapna, please unmute and speak. Sapna, please unmute.
Ma'am, vertical.
Vertical. We have here one vertical line. Here also we have vertical. So what you have to do? This left and right side should be equal. Okay. Sapna, what about this question number C and D? Sapna, look at here. Line of symmetry here. Huh? Horizontal. Okay. So children, here the top and here the bottom also you have to make that.
Ma'am, your sound is cut and cutting.
I think some connectivity issue. Okay, that's the problem. Okay, no problem. Children, here also you have to draw the missing part. Okay, so we can do all this as homework. Now what you have to do? You have to understand. Question number 20. Here one vertical line. Draw the. And here also vertical line. You have to draw the exact half. Okay, Isra, very good. Okay.
Ma'am, we have to
Take
color.
your own time. After the class, you can complete. Children, you can complete after the class.
We need
See
to
and
color.
if there is color in this only you have to color. Otherwise, here
No
question
color.
20, no need to color. Yes. Look at this half on the right side and left side should be equal. Okay. Now look at question number 21.
19 and 20, 19 and 19.
19 you can do that color. Okay,
Okay, ma'am.
19 you can. Laya, can you please unmute? Laya, please unmute. Okay, Eva, I can see that. But that L shape should be one more. After you have drawn, the next one should have 4 in the last one. Okay. When I send the notes, you will get. Laya, please read question number 21.
Draw two letters of the English alphabet that have a horizontal
On the line
line
of symmetry.
of
Okay. You can take any two English alphabets that shows.
E.
Okay. So I will show you one letter that is C. You have to show the line of symmetry, that is horizontal line. Here, look at this here, horizontal line of symmetry.
Ma'am, E.
E.
Z.
Okay, E. I can draw here E. Can make like that also. Two English alphabets that shows horizontal line of symmetry. Okay, children, is that clear?
Z.
If you find,
21 also homework.
huh?
21 also homework.
We will discuss now, then we can do later. Okay, children, is this very difficult? Only you have to draw this one alphabet and show the
22
line of
we have to do.
Adidev, if you
Ma'am, I finished.
but question number 8 and
understand.
Adidev, check your answer one more time. Not Adidev, Adinath. Adinath, you have to write A again. M-O-M. Horizontal or vertical line of symmetry? Check.
Vertical line of symmetry.
It's vertical line. Some children have, I want to see. You have to draw here. M and O half. Okay. What about question number B? Kid.
C.
Vertical or horizontal?
Horizontal line of
Very
symmetry.
good. You can do like this.
Horizontal.
Arms, we have vertical line, and kid we have horizontal line. Same like that we have here. Children, you have to write here.
Oh
C
yeah, I
and
know,
D
ma'am.
again.
I
C and
know.
D
We have
again.
to draw and write.
You have to write and
I know it is
uh,
the last one.
C and D
Vertical is
also.
horizontal.
Yes, horizontal. Okay. So children, A and B.
Half
That same like C and D, you can do this as a
Okay.
homework.
half piece.
Understood?
Yes.
You can do later. Okay, children?
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So this patterns, we learned two different types of lines of symmetry. One is vertical line and horizontal line. You have understood what is vertical line? One equal left and equal right, and equal top and bottom, that is horizontal line. And children, I will, okay, very good, Eva, I can see that. So I will send the notes. Okay. Have to complete that. All the children. Is that clear?
talk in Malayalam.
Who is talking in Malayalam? Maybe they are talking to their parents in home. Okay. So children, will you able to do this?
Yes.
Try to complete before Friday. If not possible, because if the drawing takes little more time, you want to draw neatly and color it, you can complete before Monday. Okay, children?
Okay, ma'am.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
now it's the time to wait. Okay, children?
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Bye, ma'am.